Hey guys, it's Mike the Scrapper. I showed you in another video how to scrap a brass radiator. This one is an aluminum radiator. Now, if you take it in like this, they won't give you much money for it because of the plastic. Now, I'm going to show you how to take the plastic off. We're going to weigh it and see how much money you can get for this. So first thing we're going to do is take off the plastic. Now, always wear gloves, always wear safety goggles when doing any type of scrapping, all right? Bigger hammer, yeah baby. All right, that piece is off. Now look inside. Look at that, guys. Brass. Yeah, baby. All you got to do is just unscrew these things, and all that brass is yours. So now let's go to the second part. All right, nothing in that one. That's just garbage plastic. Now, you have a nice piece of aluminum, which they're going to give you radiator money for, okay? So now, let's take off this piece of brass. There we go. Nice piece of brass. And these pieces are steel. This is just steel. See that? Alright, so now we got a piece of brass, piece of aluminum radiator. Now let's go weigh everything. All right, first one, piece of brass. It's 12 ounces. Not bad. Now let's look at this brass radiator. Sorry, let's look at this aluminum radiator. 3 pounds. Now, if you were to sell it with the plastic on it, it would be more weight, but it would also be less money. So it's about 5 pounds. So you figure they might give you $2 for everything just like that. But now, they're going to give you a lot more money. All right, so we have 3 pounds of aluminum radiator. Now this is how much I'll get today if I take it to the scrapyard. And this piece of brass, 12 ounces. This is what I'll get today if I was to sell this at the scrapyard. And these 2 pieces of steel, which at 8 cents a pound, 10 cents a pound, it's not even worth going to the scrapyard for this. But this is what's in an aluminum radiator. Not all of them might have brass, but always check and always take these pieces of plastic off. These pieces of plastic, you can put them in your recycling and they'll take them away. Alright guys, it's Mike the Scrapper. Please comment, like, subscribe. Till then guys, peace!